Hi, Cheetah. I was trying to feel like Jeffree Star, but I didn't pull it off. So I just got home from the gym and took a body shower really quick. Now I need to figure out what I am wearing for today so that I can figure out how to do my makeup. Whoop whoop. I've decided to wear the outfit that I found in my first haul. This is just the cotton on black shirt and then the PacSun cheetah skirt with the ruching. Side note, I am wearing shapewear with this so that it gives me a little bit of a short as well as some flattening in the stomach because I know that this part is gonna wanna bunch up, I guess, once I like start getting bloated in the middle of the day. But the shapewear will keep it like nice and flat. And that shapewear is just from Walmart. It's just whatever Walmart brand one that they have. So yeah, with the tummy control. I don't know what to do with my makeup. Okay, so I've changed into a shirt that I can like get dirty, I guess, in case I like really screw up my makeup. But I think I'm gonna do a makeup look that somehow like plays into the cheetah on the skirt. And I don't really know how to do that because I haven't done effects makeup in so long. So I'm gonna look in my kit and stuff and see what I have, see what brushes I have, and see if I can make some cheetah happen on my face. All right, so I have you guys at kind of a weird angle right now because it is in my bathroom and I didn't know where to set you. So you're on like a box and a binder and who even knows. But I'm just gonna start doing my makeup. So first I'm obviously washing off my beauty blender. I'm just gonna do the same base that I did in my everyday beauty routine or whatever video. So if you wanna know what I'm about to do in terms of that, just watch that video because I'm probably just gonna edit putting my face on out of this video so that's not super long and boring. That is the sound of me washing my beauty blender because I truly don't have time to talk to you and do this at a different time. It's all gonna happen at once. You know when you get like a new beauty blender and it's like oozing pink stuff when you wash it? That's what's happening right now. In the background, I have the cheetah skirt just hanging there for reference if I do decide to put cheetah on my face. Who's excited for Halloween though? I am. That's like my favorite holiday of all time. It's like such an opportunity for me to like really do my makeup in some really cool ways because I used to do a lot of effects makeup. I don't know what I'm being for Halloween, but I probably will film some looks for you guys just to give you some inspiration because last year, not to toot my own horn, but I low-key killed it. I dress up for like 5 days. It's like a Halloween and I party, I guess, on all those days. But I have a different costume for all those days, which means I have a different makeup look for all those days and I killed it. So hopefully I can think of some things for you guys this year. Starting off, I'm just doing it like I always do with my IT Cosmetics blending brush and the Life's a Drag palette from Manny MUA, dipping into that white shade and just putting it all over my brow bone. Next, I'm going into my MAC Depotted Shadows palette, but I'll tell you like what everything is. I'm dipping into this taupey brown shade from the Kylie Bronze palette, Kylie Cosmetics Bronze palette. And I'm just putting that with the IT Cosmetics brush all in the crease just to give it a little bit of shade. Next, I'm going into this orangey rust color from the Tartelette palette. It's like all different shades of orange and peach. The packaging's cheetah, so I'm just patting that into the crease as well. I think I'm gonna go in with, this is from Miss A. You know I love dollar store brushes. This is just a nice pointed, almost dome brush, and I'm just dipping into this brown shade right here. It's the dark brown. That is that chocolate color from the Kylie Cosmetics Naughty eyeshadow palette. Literally draw a line in my crease and it does it just literally so effortlessly. I love when I use this brush. Next, I'm just gonna go on the lid, I think, with a little something. I just don't know what. You know what? I think I'm gonna use a little bit of that Kylie potted shadow. It's just that cream one, and then, ooh, I have so many Snapchats. I'm just taking this disgusting looking flat e.l.f. brush. Clearly it's got a bunch of stuff on it. Dip a little bit into the potted shadow, and I'm just gonna paint it all over my lid. And I always use this brush for applying a cream shadow base to the eyelid, because one, I can get a really precise line in the crease by just drawing like that. And then it also just paints it on really nice and even. And that's why the thing looks so used and gross, and I should probably wash it off, but I probably never will, so. I want a church girl who go to church and read her Bible. Next, I'm just taking this oh my god, please focus. This Anastasia Beverly Hills brush from the Modern Renaissance palette. It's also got a blending side to it, but I just take the flatter side in order to really press a pigment onto my eyelid, whether that's like a loose pigment or just a more metallic shadow. So I'm going into this one right here. It is like a green gold, right? Isn't that the right one? Let me check. Actually, it's this one. I can't see. Clearly that's the more lighter green one from the Kylie Cosmetics Royal Peach palette. I'm just gonna go right onto the lid and press it onto that cream shadow. The green is very complementary to my eyes because my eyes always get mistaken for green, like a really dark army green. Next, I'm going into this really loose copper shade from the Kylie Cosmetics palette, Royal Peach palette, and then I'm gonna take that on the outer portion. And then I'll put a little bit of the copper in the inner corner area. Not like the inner corner, but just the inner part of the lid. The lighting in here is tragic. And I'm gonna go back into my Life's a Drag and just gently tap, just twice, into the black shade, which is called Shady, but it's the black. And I don't usually use a black shadow, but since we're gonna be using eyeliner today, sometimes it just really helps to hold the whole look together. More definition. All right, I'll just do these off camera because you've seen me do them. It's just the way I do it in my everyday makeup look. So watch that video. Now that we have brows, first I'm just gonna line my eyes with my Revlon Color Stay eyeliner. This is the skinny version. I have both the skinny and the regular. Really just depends on what I grab or what I need or what I'm doing. The reason why I'm using the skinny one right now is because I will be doing detail work with the Cheetah spots. I'm going to do my concealer. Actually, hold on. I'm gonna take this Stila potted glitter. They don't make these anymore, unfortunately. I think they're so much better than these that everybody uses. Like, I enjoy this, but this is so much better because it's almost like a leaf glitter. And I'm just gonna stick it right above this, not the exact center of my eye, but just like right after the first quarter of my eye. All right, concealer time. I'm really excited for today. I think this is gonna be super fun. We're going over to my friend's house for a pre-game, but I'm really excited. I think it's super cool that we have like a music festival type of thing right on our campus. T-Pain is coming. Dylan with no A is opening for him. And then we have two other openers before that are students. They're singer-songwriters and they got voted into doing it. Next, I am going to be taking my IT Cosmetics brush again in the orange shade right here from the bronze Kylie palette. And I'm sorry I can't give you shade names for those. I just have so many eyeshadow palettes that I was like, let's depot the shades I use the most so that when I travel and use, you know, my shared bathroom, I don't take up like tons of space and it doesn't take up like tons of space in my luggage. Next, I'm just finishing my base. So I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Pro Palette highlighters. They're the 2 lighter ones. And since today's a more special day, I will be putting on a ton of highlighter. I'm gonna be taking a little bit of this ColourPop Flexitarian is the shade name, highlighter. And I just use the same highlighting brush. Hello, focus. Dip into that and just dust it on top. It's a wetter highlight, like it's got more moisture to it, so I don't use a ton of it because I don't want to like move my makeup around, but I just use it right on the true top of my cheekbones instead of just like throwing it all over my face like the rest of my highlighter. What I'm kind of doing is drawing on the black part of the spots right now, and they're just gonna be kind of around where I would usually do liner or drag out a waterline or whatever. So that's kind of what I'm doing so far. I'm gonna try the Kylie Cosmetics liner, the shade Exposed, and I'm just gonna be filling it in the inside of those little dots to make them look like Cheetah. I'm gonna take that Stila shadow that I used on my lid and the same brush I used to do the cream base. I'm gonna dip into here a little bit, and that'll make it a little bit more precise to put glitter in the middle of the cheek. Okay, you see, just like that. Super simple, and I love it. Okay, we're gonna take that glitter on my fingertip and just pat it down into the highlight on that cheek side. Let's ball out. Let's do the other side now. I'm gonna do it off camera. Okay, so I finished the Cheetah and glitter on both sides, and now I'm gonna put on my false eyelashes. I, as you know, have lash extensions, but they're falling out. So when that happens, this is what I do to pretend that I still have them. And I start from the inside and work my way out. Just dipping into the lash glue, I just paint a strip onto the clear plastic that comes with the package and dip the whole strand. And for my hair, since I know I'm gonna be hot and sweaty and it's gonna get ruined anyways, I'm not doing anything. I might put some clips in it to emphasize the Cheetah work that I just did on my eyes. Okay, lashes are on. Cool, cool, cool. That was so quick. I love that. Now I'm using my coconut eyeliner. I'm just coloring in a like inner corner. Then I'm taking that e.l.f. brush I use in my everyday makeup video to do my inner corner and the same inner corner shadow that I use in that video. Using Posh Spice on the outside of my lip. Sorry about that crappy camera angle. I'm gonna use Exposed from Kylie Cosmetics. Oh my god, I'm like running slightly late, so I'm trying to like hurry up. Next, I'm just using my MAC Prep and Prime to semi-set my face. I didn't spray a whole lot because I do have all that liner detail. It's time to put the outfit on. Since my hair is in a middle part, I just got these in my haul. And then for shoes, I'm just gonna wear, I'm just gonna wear my crappy Adidas in a rush. I hate this feeling. This is the final makeup look. I just paired a Kendra Scott long chain pendant and like tucked it in, and then some random necklace I got from a set. So I actually decided to put the 2 black clips in my hair. I think it looks super cute and sassy. Love this look. I look so cute. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna go to T-Pain now. Bye, you guys. So I just got back from the music festival that my school puts on, and it was really good. They threw water at us and it only smudged a little bit, but other than that, it still looks okay. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Like the video, share the video. I don't care. And follow me on my socials. Bye, you guys.